Hey, this is a shameless commerce plug, plus a happy birthday for Arel Moodie. Arel Moodie is the creator of Talkadot. And this is a plug for why I love it. And I would encourage you to go and check it out. If you conduct workshops or you're a speaker, anytime you would like to get feedback, even from your own team, really check it out. I'll put a link in the notes or the section below. I'll put a link here so you can check it out. So why do I love it as a professional speaker and a person who conducts workshops? I love it because it has transformed the way that I get feedback from my audience. It is so incredibly easy for my audience to give me feedback. And the feedback rate from my audience members, where before I might have been, not everybody leaves you feedback. Almost everyone leaves me feedback now. It's great. Also, the feedback that I get is instantaneous. I can share it right after the event with the person who booked me, and they can see the full report and all the comments right there. It really, really helps to solidify in the person's mind who booked me that they did a great job and that their people were happy. I love it. It's very well researched. I love that Arel and his team do so much research to make it easy to use, to make sure we get the most results from the audience. And also, it's pretty dang handy for generating new booking leads, because depending on the person who in the audience, with their answer, they go into this little phone tree kind of a thing. And there are people sitting in the audience all the time who could either refer or they book speakers. And there is no way I would know that in an audience of 300 unless, I had used Talkadot, which I love. So check it out. If you're a speaker or you conduct workshops or you would like to get some feedback from folks, I love it. Happy birthday, Arel.